The Raptor Bronco is the baddest Bronco that Ford has built yet. And while you can't readily find them in dealer showrooms, you can find them at a Mecum auction. In this edition of This or That, we've got a pair crossing two different Mecum auction blocks during the very same weekend. Both are the latest 2022 model years. Both are nearly identically equipped with tons of options, and both have sold and are going home with proud new owners. Let's take a look and see what makes these ultra tough trucks so special, so unique, and so desirable. First up is this one, which sold at Mecum Chicago. It's painted Oxford white and equipped with the optional graphic package, adding these gray, white, and black digital blocks to the rear fenders and hood. Another option it's been equipped with are the Style 2 17 by 8.5 inch beadlock capable wheels, which were designed by Ford Performance. They're wrapped in aggressive BF Goodrich 37-inch KO2 all-terrain tires. Like all Bronco Raptors, it features elements like heavy-duty bash and skid plates, a Fox high-performance off-road stability suspension, HOS for short, and 13 inches of travel in the front and 14 inches in the rear. Under the hood is the standard twin-turbocharged 3-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, producing 418 horsepower. As you'd imagine, that makes this the most powerful street-legal Bronco ever. It's paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission and true dual exhaust system with 4 different selectable modes: normal, sport, quiet, and Baja. For such an extreme vehicle meant to go deep into the off-road, if you're wondering why this engine bay is so clean, that's because the odometer shows just 87.5 delivery miles. Inside the cabin, this Bronco has the optional black onyx leather trim vinyl seats. Another option it's been fitted with is the carbon fiber pack, bringing low-gloss carbon fiber accents to the grab handles, steering wheel bezel, and gear shifter knob. Here in the dash, there's a 12-inch LCD touchscreen, with other technology being a 360-degree view camera. This Bronco caused a lot of excitement when it crossed the auction block in Chicago, with it selling for $170,500. If for some reason that didn't strike your fancy, there's also this one, a second 2022 Bronco Raptor, this one selling at Mecum's Chattanooga auction. Dialing up the wow factor, this one is painted in eye-searing code orange and was also given the graphics package. Likewise, it too received the optional 17-inch wheels. There are no differences under the hood, as it's also equipped with the EcoBoost V6, although it's showing even fewer delivery miles on the odometer, just 32.6. There is a change between the pair on the inside. While this one has received the optional leather trim vinyl seats, these feature the blue leather accents, really sharp. A difference is this one has the optional code orange accent seat belts, adding a very bright pop of color to the cabin. This hard-to-come-by vehicle did not go unnoticed when it crossed the auction block, with it bringing even more, selling for $209,000, squarely putting it in the top 10 sellers of the Chattanooga auction. So there you have it. Those are the details on these modern off-road legends, and we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below which one of these brutes you want to take home and park in your garage. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe and follow along for more Mecum on the Move.